Hey guys, just to let you know that there is a storm, so you guys going out camping?
We're going camping, yeah. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Do you know about the storm?
I knew about the storm. I'm still sleepy, but it's time to hike. The plan is to hike Mt Kosciuszko. That's actually the highest peak of Australia, so hopefully I can make it. This bag down here, it's gonna weigh about 18 kilograms. For someone who's 5'6" like me, that's like 27% of my body weight. It's gonna be a little too much. I'm gonna see if I can reduce that and cut it down to about 16 kilogram. Yeah, it's a huge backpack, but it's got all the essentials that I need. I only bring one camera actually, and a GoPro. I'm gonna show you briefly, you know, what essentials and important things that is going into this backpack. All right. This is actually in the middle of summer, but going to the peak of Australia, it's still fairly cold up there. So we gotta be prepared. So this is a sleeping bag, it's rated up to 0 degree, and this is a tent for 2 people, and a stove, and a gas bottle, cooking pan. Got this jacket with me. I've got extra thermal layers. We don't have any mattress to sleep on tonight, so sleeping well is essentials too. So that's why I've got this fluffy pillow. Comfortable sleep, checked. Tea and coffee. The Aquatech waterproof photographer gloves. It's a personal locator beacon, so in case of emergency and I activate this device, it's going to send a signal to Canberra with my GPS location. That way they can send help to us. I don't think it's going to be that remote anyway, but we just got it just in case. Just never know. Always prepare for the worst. Toilet paper. Plastic bin bag, so bring your rubbish bag with you. That's why you got this. The head torch. Extra torch. This is Indonesian herbal medicine. Tolak angin. Emergency whistle. Multi-tools. And of course the basic first aid kit. In prep for getting ready to go up the chairlift. It's actually getting a little cold and getting windy now already.
Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease.
It's starting to rain, not the best weather to hike. But we gotta do what we gotta do, we gotta make it happen. It's getting windy too. It's the thunderstorm in the forecast for the next 4 hours. Let's see if we can get through this, eh? Shut off the car. There you go.
But baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine.
We just went into the ticket counter to purchase a chairlift pass, but unfortunately, due to the weather, like the bad weather at the moment, and there's many people up there already, according to them. So they stopped the chairlift at the moment. We can't go up for now. There's no guarantee that we can go up. They go check back in the next 20-25 minutes. So I'm probably gonna pop in about 25 minutes and see how we go. Hopefully we can actually go up and still camp at the top. Right, we'll find out. Sweet eyes, thank you. All right, have a great day. See ya, Happy New Year. You got a ticket. Happy day. Gonna go up now because they're gonna stop the chairlift very soon due to the storm coming.
Hey guys, just to let you know that there is a storm, so you guys going out camping?
We're going camping, yeah. You You gotta do what you gotta do.
Do you know about the storm?
I knew that song.
Do you want that just...
Yeah, buddy.
That's the way. Have fun.
You too, mate. Happy New Year, guys.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Will do, man. Will do. Alright, guys. We are up on the chairlift. A little bit more than 500 meters of elevation. So cool, yeah? That's where we're coming from. That's where we're going. There's a storm coming. So we gotta go. We gotta go quick. So 2 kilometers up and still going. It's a beautiful overcast day. The storm was about to come past, but luckily it hasn't happened. Hopefully it's not gonna happen. It's starting to rain. We are about 3.5 kilometers up from Kretbo. My family is actually waiting down there, about that down here. Man, my lips are freezing. We're basically here to find anywhere that is flat where we can actually pitch our tent. It's not an easy task, I can tell you that. Woo! We made it. We found a spot. The storm just passed. It's a little bit cloudy behind the rocks there. We found our place to pitch our tent. Look at this $1 million view. Great job, guys. Give me a high five. Boom. Alright, what time is it now? It's almost 9 o'clock. It's 5 minutes to 9 o'clock. Fairly freezing outside, especially when the wind blows this hard.
And there's ice.
Oh yeah, there's patches of ice still. We're just gonna go sleep. It's been very tiring. We hike with backpacks around 20% of our body weight, and mine's about 25% of my body weight, so I had cramped on my foot every now and then on my thigh, but that's alright, it's worth it. So we need to have a good rest. Pretty comfortable here, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, so okay. See you later.
I feel it now, all emotions.
Hey guys, it's 5 a.m. I came at 4:30. It's nearly there. 25 more minutes. I'm just gonna make sure I'm not missing out on any of those lights. Woo. Good morning, guys. I am at the top of Australia, in the summit, and look at that big bright sign Went up here for the sunrise. We camped somewhere down here, about 2 kilometers down. I kind of lost direction at the moment, but this place is amazing. Pretty freezing though. It's in the middle of summer in Australia at the moment, but last night the temperature plunged to about 2 Celsius. Whew. Look at this amazing view. It's 360 degrees. Look at the ranges behind me. It's just bloody amazing. And if you see that stone at the back there, that's officially the top of Australia. People jumping up to the stone, take photos. It's kind of typical shot, but it's kind of must have. I did that as well. Yo, the end of the trip, yo. We packed up, ready to go home. Still about 4.5 kilometers to go, but at least it's going downhill. Trip for 1 kilometer to go. What a beautiful sunny day. It was stormy yesterday, it was raining, we survived. But now, look at this bright sunshine. The backpack's a little bit lighter. It's about 15 kgs at the moment. We're doing good. We're a bit hungry, so hopefully the restaurant up there is open. The Eagle's Nest restaurant. Apparently that's the highest restaurant in Australia. So you're gonna pop in for some meals and a well-deserved coffee. Catch you later.
I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the
Yep, go, go, go.